Okay, so in the last video we're done till the introduction of ribosomes. Today we'll be going with its structure and like very important or some basic information I will just give you. So stay tuned to watch this video. So like the ribosome have two unequal sides. Why these are unequal sides? Why is they called unequal? Just because there's two units, larger and smaller. Okay, so larger unit is dome-like shape in the structure, and smaller unit is cap-like. So if I could just make it a dome is little like triangle. This is the dome-like, and if you just move this one, the small unequal, you can look into this one is a big little bit and this is small. That's why this one is larger and this is the smaller. So this means that's the reason these are not unequal, and this is dome-like. So larger, I just discussed this in the last video as well, which was introduction of ribosome. So this was larger, and the cap like, which would be smaller unit. So then it's come to the RNA, as this is also known as like the ribonucleic acid. Like the RNA is the ribonucleic acid, and that are known as the like RNA containing bodies. As I discussed in the last video, RNA containing body is known as ribosome. So let's discuss how what having in like what's the structure having RNA. So if I could just make it okay. So RNA is having genetic material. It's a single standard, by the way, genetic material, and this one is non-genetic. Non-genetic and genetic would be in virus, like the oh sorry, I don't write I. Genetic would be the example of, and like the genetic material would be present in virus, just because this is not the part of any phylum. This is the borderline virus. Okay, the genetic, like which cannot be considered as RNA or as a genetic. And like the other example could be single standard or double standard. So just let me write it. I've just written ssRNA and dsRNA. ssRNA like single, S here one S is single, second standard RNA, and double is standard DNA. So single standard example could be HIV, like this the virus has, we'll discuss that later on in our chapter. TMV, this also a virus, and in the double standard we have Rio virus. Okay, so then we has virus does not contain ribosome, hence they depend upon the host metabolic machinery. Okay, like when it comes to the virus does not have its own ribosomes, but it depends on the host metabolic, wherever it's just living on the host body, so they depends on the host metabolic machinery. And in eukaryotic they are found in cytoplasm. Not, they can be found in cytoplasm, but in prokaryotic these are only present in cytoplasm, whereas in eukaryotic we have nucleus that will be found in cytoplasm, in the nucleus, or in the like in complete cell we can found that, but little bit. So now synthesis of nucleus, nuclear synthesis take place where in the set chromosomes, and this would be done like set is the secondary constructed region or the junk region, then that one synthesis by NOR, which is nuclear organizing region. NOR, if I just write it, nuclear organizing region. Okay, then this would be synthesis, like the ribosome will be synthesized by nucleus. Then in the nucleus we have set chromosome, which is secondary constructor region, or that's also known as junk region. Then we have NOR, like that set would be again synthesized by NOR. NOR is like a nuclear organizing region, and this also depends on the, like as we have the two structures I discussed in the starting.